Guys, out for a bike ride on my way to work today. Kind of just testing this camera, kind of getting used to, or trying to get used to talking on the camera, trying to eventually start doing more vlogging, but I'm not real comfortable on camera yet. Working towards that, I guess. Beautiful day today. Supposed to be raining. It's not raining, so I'm happy with that. I think tomorrow's supposed to be rainy though, on a Saturday. A little disappointing. Since we've been getting good weather, it's mostly been during the week. We haven't really had any good weather on the weekends yet, I don't think. Maybe earlier on in the spring. Either way, I'll take what we get. Looking forward to a Friday, last day of the week for work, this week anyways. Not too many more free weekends probably for the upcoming summer. A lot of events going on, a lot of traveling. We're gone for a good month in August. It's going to be a busy stretch, that's for sure. That's good. Doing the Canada Games in August. We do the broadcasts. So it'll be fun, but I imagine by the time I get back, I'll be happy to be home. I'm not sure what this audio is going to be like. I should have brought a wireless lav, but I guess this is a good test for the built-in mic. I'm using the Insta360 X5, by the way. I'll try to clean up the audio a bit in post, but I'll at least leave a portion of it so you can see what the actual audio recorded like before any post-processing. Oh, that was a bit of a hill. Still getting back into biking for the season. Just coming into, or well, been in, driving through Sherwood, Prince Edward Island. If you're familiar with the place, we're coming up on St. Peter's Road. Oh, there's the birds. Seems pretty quiet out today for this time of day. Friday morning. Maybe I'm just not into traffic yet. It's still pretty quiet on the highway, if you can call this a highway. A couple people out walking. I guess most people, if they had to be to work for, well, 9 at the latest probably, they're already there. About 5 to 9. And I'm about 5 minutes from work. So, should work pretty good. See how the day goes. I may look at taking the afternoon off. As mentioned, I'm going to have a busy summer, so may as well take some time when I can. Have a nice Friday afternoon. Maybe try this again on for a more trail-like ride. It's pretty basic, pretty boring probably to view. Like I said, just trying to Get used to talking on camera. Kind of a test of the camera. Test of the audio. Get an idea of what I'll need to do in post. Although it's unlikely I'll use the built-in microphone very much anyways. Likely be throwing in either audio in post, or if it's going to be live audio, using wireless lav directly. I do have the Polyland wireless lav right now. Hey, it's alright, I don't mind it at all. You do need a receiver. I have the receiver, but you need to use a receiver, and you need an adapter to plug that into this camera. But Insta360 has recently released their own wireless lav, and it connects right to the camera with Bluetooth, and it's fairly reasonably priced. Reviews seem to be decent on it so far. I may just pick that up for convenience, ease of use. I may just keep what I got and pick up the cheap adapter for now to see if I'm actually going to use it much to do vlogging. I've been planning to, or I've been working towards, even doing, starting a YouTube channel for a couple years. This is my original YouTube. That was just my personal viewing account. Kids yelling at me on the bus. But yeah, it was just my personal viewing account for many years. I do have another tech tips channel, which I kind of let fall aside. So I'd like to get back into putting videos on. This one is just more of a travel videos. May turn into a vlog if I can get comfortable doing that. We'll see what happens, I guess. I work in video. That's what my profession is. I've been doing broadcast for, I don't know, since 08. So, I guess 17, 18 years we're pushing. I wanted to go there, but it was a little too close. Oh, we got 2 seconds. Let's make her. Anyways, guys, we're about to pull up to work here. You may or may not see this video, whether it gets posted or not. I guess we'll find out. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you have, feel free to like and subscribe. Hopefully there'll be more travel videos and vlogs. Thanks very much, guys.